Careful is avoiding them like the plague.
How could she avoid someone in the spirit world?
No, but she's doing it. Run.
I'm sorry for knocking you.
It's okay, I kind of expected that.
Stop being adorable.
I am alone.
You should, I checked, you should know that I'm not buying your story.
Okay, fine, I'll tell you. That was my bad. But I ran away.
I'm not buying this one either. Try again.
Christy.
I'll pick her in character.
There we are, thank you.
Yeah, closer so you can stab her.
No, it's true. I ran away because I was sick of just being invisible. No one knows who I am because I'm not very good at anything. But apparently I'm good at hiding because I followed after you. I left only about an hour after you left from school. The one thing I'm good at.
Stop being adorable.
What have I been doing in the past, however many months it's been?
2. 1.5.
Well, so you joined Relkin, and you became a squire for
Someone who happens to be here.
Kestrel. But that didn't work out too well, and then Zod came, and Zod started the Zod games, but then you stabbed Zod, which was
Alright,
really
stop.
good. Okay.
You just been stalking her.
Please. Please, I'll do whatever you need me to do.
I also understand that I don't trust you.
Yeah, I get that. Okay, help.
Just don't do anything stupid. Don't threaten the people I'm with.
Anything stupid, don't threaten the people you with. I promise.
Alright.
Yes! Oh my god, I'm your squire! Just like you were for Kestrel, only like I wouldn't stink. Sorry. I didn't mean that. I'm sorry. That won't happen again.
I sincerely doubt it. Alright.
Can I take my sword?
Yeah, go get it.
Yes!
Be careful with that.
I know how to use the sword. I'm not good at it, but I know how
Off
to
your arm
use
for
it.
that.
Just been lacerating your own flesh. That's fun. I'll have to clear this with the people I'm with.
What if they say no?
Then run away as fast as you can. And stay nearby.
Okay.
Do the thing that you were doing.
Okay, I can do that.